mounting imevunjika, si ndio? Ndio maana gari inashindanga vibrate. Hii mounting haiko. Sasa hivi mama.
Hii ni SF eh? Hii ni SF. SF. Mko mrefu.
Bado hii iko fiti.
Si ni kama ya daktari. Unajua kwenye hii kitu ni bigi. Unaona inakaa ndogo na vinye ni bigi. Ni bigi. Poa. Shit.
Machero sahi
The plan. Hajapiga ile.
Ndio yafanya wale check belt pia.
Ile bana unafungua tu. Pressure. Jacob.
So hello guys. Manze, the Nissan brought some problems. We are in the garage as you can see. We're trying to fix things. And nimekubali kunguruma jana ilikuwa but it's doing alright right now. Tunataka kwa tu jump started saa hii na Yesu bado. So it's fine right now. Yeah.
Newe ngali andine venga azai. Best reason ndo nakasoa. Ndio mzadi ya jawi. Ade no tujamta. Aya, vipi?
Kwaje?
Kwa jonjo. Umeingia WhatsApp. Ndio nilikuwa nakupigia nikuulize.
Nataka niweke drip lakini mbona bado inatetemeka bana?
Inatetemeka aje?
Inatetemeka, hiki kitu bado inatetemeka.
Sijaona ikitetemeka.
Mimi si nimekuwa pia inatetemeka kazima peke yake.
Kwani mimi kucharge?
Hizi coils ulipata zilikuwa sawa.
The battery is dead again, man. Guys, the battery is dead again.
Masani machache. Ini nanibambanga na hii gari. Sipati hapo.
So guys, najua sasa you'll get me clearly, utanisikiza poa. So like yesterday my brother took this car and decided and pick it to my lap. Then you know cars, man, this is a project car. So he just decided not to start. We had to call the flatbed, but I didn't capture that. We had to call the flatbed. He took it and brought it to some mechanic in Baricho Road, near whatever. So okay, Nissan. So we have come for it. We came with one Jaluo, that TZ car. Let me show you for in a moment. So we came with it. Yeah. Sad news. This guy will have to sleep here again. Oh my god. Literally there were sparks from the motors. So sad. What a Saturday evening. How to spend a Saturday evening. It was a garage days for the cars, so also one Jaluo ilikuwa imegwarwa kidogo, but the bumper is being fixed, so let me just show you in a bit. So that is the place that was scratched. It's going to be fixed together with these gaps here. A short video, and just wanted to show you what we do during our Saturdays, and Hoonigan Customs will soon be reviving, and we'll do something about it. So basically that's it. That's what we do on Saturdays.
remember this guy. Marvin. So that's basically it. So we are going to fix the gaps that are on the headlights, but I won't show you guys that because you'll ruin the surprise that I'm going to shoot a video is dropping soon on the same, so I'll be reviewing this car, like the real deal. I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to show you everything because there's something we did to it. So yeah, that's what we do on Saturdays. Thanks for watching this short video. If you've liked the video, press that like button, subscribe.